You can order the rear bumper cover retainers used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Pull on the trunk release handle and open the trunk. To change the rear bumper cover retainers on your vehicle, you need to remove the rear bumper cover to gain full access. Using a small flathead screwdriver, lift the protective cover of the first rear bumper cover retaining bolt. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, unscrew the bumper cover retaining bolt. Do the same on the other side. Next, in the wheel arches, unscrew the 2 screws holding the rear bumper cover to the rear mudguard using a ratchet and a Phillips bit socket. Then use the same tools to unscrew the screw holding the rear bumper cover to the bumper cover retainer. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Position yourself under the vehicle. Using a fork, remove the 2 rivets holding the bumper cover. You can now unclip the rear bumper cover from the bumper retainers. The rear bumper cover is now free. You can remove it, preferably with the help from a second person. You now have a clear view of your rear bumper cover retainers on each side of the vehicle. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screw holding the retainer. Next, using a fork, unclip 3 clips holding the retainer to the body. Remove the retainer. Then use the fork to remove the holding screw plastic bracket.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
You can order the rear bumper cover retainers used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the retainer. Then place the 3 clips on the retainer. Install the holding screw plastic bracket. Put the bumper cover retainer in place, then clip it into its slots. Then retighten the retaining screw. Put the rear bumper cover back in place by its central part first. Then reattach each side to the bumper cover retainers. Then put the 2 rivets back in place. Screw the 2 screws holding the bumper cover to the mudguard on both sides. Then, on both sides, screw the screw holding the bumper cover to the bumper retainers back on. Screw the retaining bolts back on at the trunk. Then put the protective covers back in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.